Operator, thank you for choosing this educational film strip. At this point, you should see a white dot on the screen ahead of you. For optimum educational opportunity, please take this time to focus the equipment for best visual picture. Is the image in focus? Good. Then let's begin. Cross-pollination and dew. Ah, spring has sprung in the garden. The sun is shining, the flowers bloom. Love is in the air.
You're blooming.
Yes, that's right. Our young Flora has blossomed. It was only yesterday she was a mere bud.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ah, young love.
Yes.
Well, we've been rooted together for quite a while now.
Yeah, 20 days now.
Well, you were once a bud and now you've blossomed.
Ha ha ha. Boy Flower better make a move before he bursts with pollen.
You know, Mother Nature.
Yes. Well, it's May Day.
Oh, May Day. Already?
May Day, the day in all young flowers' lives when blossom after blossom prepares themselves to learn about the birds and the bees.
Yeah. So, you said we could cross-pollinate?
I did.
Ah, those crazy weeds. Just get a bee, will you? Bomb chicka wah. Wah.
Oh. Just like that. Not so fast. Ooh. No. Ooh. Stop.
Uh-oh. This morning glory's not ready to spread her sunshine yet.
She wants to stop.
What? No, keep going. She doesn't mean it. Come on. All the other Stamen and Pistil are doing it.
He wants me to keep going because your nectar intoxicates him.
The bee is an expert. You'd think he's done this before.
Oh. No, I don't know.
She don't know.
Oh, man.
Look, dude, just tell her that you love her.
I love you.
Your nectar is as sweet as honey, and your petals are supple, and your stamen shapely. Ooh, he loves you.
Yeah, what he said.
Oh, wow. That's really sweet. I love you too. No!
Ow!
No means no, bee.
Great! Now I got pollen all over me, and I don't even get to touch a blossom?
Silly bee, you have wings to fly from blossom to blossom, 1,000 per day, if you like.
All right.
And so love goes on and on in the garden. A lesson to all of us. Other titles in this series include Joni and Jimmy's Trip to the Bottle Factory, What Did My Grandfather Do in the War? Ancient Greece, Land of 1,000 Pharaohs. The film strip you have been watching has now ended. Please take this time to discuss what you may have learned from the lesson.